Ever since Apple started creating its own chips for Macs, Linux enthusiasts have been waiting for that day when their favorite operating system becomes compatible with Apple's incredibly powerful new hardware. Fast forward to the present, the new Linux 6.2 kernel reportedly adds support for M1 chips. But there's a catch. While various publications have released stories regarding M1 support for Linux and even go as far as to say that Linux is now ready to run on modern Macs, the reality is quite different. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. Asahi Linux, a project that aims to bring Linux support to Apple Silicon, confirmed that the article published by ZDNet is nothing but misleading and borderline false. The Asahi Linux team provided a lot more insight into the current status of Linux's compatibility with M1 Macs. They've confirmed that currently you cannot run any Linux distro on M1 Macs. The Linux 6.2 kernel adds device trees and basic boot support for M1 machines, but support for trackpad, keyboard and other elements of an operating system is far from completion. They also highlighted that you can boot an upstream 6.2 kernel on M1 desktops with 16K page size kernel builds. However, no ARM64 distro ships 16K kernels at the moment. The fact that Linux is coming close to Apple Silicon compatibility is already great news, but it still requires a lot of third-party open source support to be functional on Apple's hardware. We hope developers like the Asahi Linux team continue doing the amazing work they've done for the past few years and make this a reality as soon as possible. We'll update an article about this matter as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.